sa amin ay yung posisyon na dinala nung rally na yon, which begs it that I think the crowd estimate, I don't know how accurate it was, the crowd estimate was between 1.5 to 1.8, at least yung nasa Quirino sa Saluneta. Now, sinasabi nila na yung religious sect na yan, ang total membership nila is 2.8 million. And now, there was really a massive crowd. 1.5 to 1.8 is a massive crowd. Ganuman kadami yung mga nag-participate sa rally na yon. Out of the 2.8 million members of that religious sect, ay ang malinaw ay minority sila. Minority ang numero nila compared sa the rest of the Filipinos, and then minority rin yung posisyon na dinadala nila.